In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a server tag next to your name on Discord. A server tag is a small label that appears beside your username, letting others see which community you're representing at a glance. It's a simple way to show affiliation, add personality to your profile, and make it easier for people to recognize where you're most active. Start by opening Discord either on the desktop app or in your browser, and join a server if you haven't already. You'll need to be in at least one server to choose a tag, because tags come from the communities you're part of. If you just joined, give Discord a moment to sync everything before moving on. Next, look to the bottom left of Discord and click the gear icon to open user settings. In the My Account section, select Edit User Profile. This is where you control what others see on your profile, including your avatar, banner, and for today's purpose, your server tag. Scroll down the profile page until you find the server tag section. Click on Server Tag to open the list of available tags. This section shows tags associated with servers you're in. Think of it as choosing one badge to wear publicly. You can only display one tag at a time, but you can come back here anytime to change it. From the list, pick the server tag you want to show. For example, you might choose the Adopt Me tag if that's the community you want to highlight right now. This is just an example. Choose whichever server best represents you or the one you're most active in. If you don't see the server you expect, make sure you're actually a member of that server and that your Discord app is up to date. Once you've made your selection, click Save Changes. This step is important. If you close the window without saving, your choice won't stick. After saving, your chosen tag should appear next to your name in channels and messages where tags are displayed. If it doesn't appear immediately, try navigating to a different channel or briefly restarting Discord to refresh your profile display. That's all there is to it. Join a server, open user settings, edit your profile, select the server tag section, choose the tag you want, like Adopt Me as a simple example, and save your changes. It's a quick update that can make your presence in conversations clearer and more personal. If you ever change your mind, just return to the same place and pick a different tag. Enjoy customizing your profile and representing your favorite communities on Discord.